In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transcribe clear Hindi audio from a YouTube video using Otter AI. To get started, open your Otter AI workspace and go into the settings area. This is where you'll want to adjust the primary language processing options before doing anything else. Taking a moment to check these settings first is important because it helps Otter handle the audio more accurately and gives you a better starting point for the transcript. If your workspace includes language-related preferences, make sure they're set appropriately for the Hindi audio you plan to process. Doing this in advance can save time later and reduce the amount of cleanup you may need to do after the transcript is generated. Once your settings are ready, go to the YouTube video you want to transcribe and play the section that contains clear Hindi speech. Audio quality matters a lot here, so try to use a video where the speaker is easy to hear, with as little background noise, music, or overlapping voices as possible. If needed, adjust the playback volume so the spoken words come through clearly. Clean audio will always lead to better transcription results, especially when you're planning to reuse the text for captions or translation. With the video playing, start the auto recording or import process so it can capture the Hindi audio and begin creating the transcript. Depending on how you're using Otter, this may involve recording system audio or bringing in the content through an available import method. The key is to let the platform fully process the spoken content without interruption. While the transcript is being created, it's a good idea to monitor the progress and make sure the audio continues playing clearly from beginning to end. If the video is long, be patient and allow enough time for Otter to finish processing the content completely. After the transcript has been generated and finalized, review it carefully and then copy the finished text. This final transcript can be used for captions, subtitles, or as the base for translation into another language. Before copying, it's helpful to scan through the text for any recognition errors, especially with names, regional words, or fast-spoken phrases, since these are often the areas where automatic transcription tools need a little correction. Once everything looks good, copy the transcript and save it wherever you need it for your next step. That's the complete process for turning clear Hindi audio from a YouTube video into a usable